Hey guys, really quick before we start this video, don't forget that you can get your T850 Canada, Critchfield, and Delta t-shirts online. The link is in the description. And also, we're going to have them limited stock, but we will have them in Tweed, Ontario this weekend. So if you want to get a t-shirt, come see us. Also, the first person that comes up to me this weekend in Tweed and tells me that they're at the boat races because of these YouTube videos is getting a free shirt. So come see me, let me know, and let's get to the action of testing for the last weekend before we race. Yep.
You're out by yourself now.
That's two done. He's not ready. Still not ready. rainy Sunday morning, the week before the first race. And because of the weather, that means that our pre-season testing is officially done. One more ride just to bring the boats back to the trailers, but that's it. So everything as it sits now is going to stay exactly how it is for race day. Well, the Critchfield, you guys have seen this boat. We've done lots of testing with this boat, and it is back to the very first setup from the first video on it this year. Sandcast powerhead, longer than SST60 spec tuner, and the standard 1.87 gear. This thing's a rocket. Very much expecting this to be a front-running boat this year, and we'll see. We did balance it the same way that you saw that we balanced that, and it's handling much better. So overall, this should be a very, very, very good package for this year. Code Red is here. It will not be racing, but it's here, it's done. Nobody has really driven it this weekend because the weather has sucked. Yesterday was super windy, super gusty, very rough, so none of the data we got is any good. It was more just everybody get comfortable in their boats. So my sister's Delta, which as you can see is not here anymore. She got out last night, beat the rain. Good decision. Her boat, the white Delta, stock power head, standard gear ratio, cut down stock tuner. It's running pretty good. It's a high 60-mile-an-hour boat, nothing spectacular. But she's ready. She got a little bit of seat time in it, and we'll see what she can do. Definitely doesn't have the same kind of speeds as the others, but overall it's a decent little package. And last but not least, Mellow Yellow. This thing has been a little bit unexpected on how well it's doing. This is a true SST60 powerhead on an aftermarket heavy SST60 tuner with the standard gear ratio. And this boat is doing somewhere in the low 70 miles an hour right now. And it's cornering better now, as you'll see from the video that I'm about to put of us testing them yesterday. We're getting a little more dialed in, so we'll see what we can do on the race course. But we're packing up, getting ready to go home, because yeah, this sucks.
Geez, I almost got wet on that one.
That's it, we're done. That's all the testing we're getting. So the next time you see this boat and that boat, it'll be race day. Get these things out of the water.
It's like winter.
Huh?
It's like winter.
I know.
It's almost gonna be time to put the boats away.
It almost feels like it.
Right?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's officially it. It is race week. It is time to see what these boats can do. So join us June 7th, 8th, Tweed, Ontario. And like I said before, first person to come up to me and say, Eric, I am here because of your YouTube videos, that person's getting a free T850 Canada t-shirt. Just putting a couple little final touches on it. But we'll see you next weekend. Till then.